Are you constantly hearing that you should be investing, but then you look at the price of a single share of a major company and think, I just don't have that kind of money? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. The biggest barrier for most new investors is the belief that you need hundreds, or even thousands, of dollars to even start. And for decades, they were right. But today, thanks to apps like Stash, that simply isn't the case anymore. Stash is changing the game by making the stock market accessible to everyone, no matter how small your budget is. So, how exactly does Stash help you start investing with just small amounts of money? It all comes down to two key features: fractional shares and automated micro-investing. First, let's talk about fractional shares. This is the single most important innovation for new investors. A fractional share is exactly what it sounds like, a slice of a whole share of stock or an ETF. If a share of Amazon or Apple costs hundreds of dollars, Stash lets you buy just a piece of that share with as little as a penny. Yes, you heard that right. Some investments let you start with as little as 1 cent. This means you don't have to wait to save up all that money. You can invest the dollar you have right now into the companies you know and use every day. Fractional shares completely removes the price barrier and lets you start building a truly diversified portfolio almost instantly. The second way Stash makes investing easy for small budgets is through automated investing tools. Starting small is great, but consistency is what builds wealth. Stash has two features that help you automate consistency. The first is AutoStash, where you can set up recurring, automatic transfers from your bank account right into your investment portfolio. You can set it to just $5 a week, $10 a month, whatever works for your budget. You set it and forget it, and your investments grow in the background. The other is the stockback card. This is a game changer. Stash pairs an online bank account with a debit card that automatically earns you pieces of stock as a reward when you shop. So if you grab a coffee at your local shop, you earn a tiny fraction of a stock. You are literally turning your everyday spending into future investments. This turns a simple financial tool into a constant, painless way to add to your portfolio without feeling like you're sacrificing your budget. Stash is designed for long-term investors and beginners. They focus on education, give you personalized guidance, and even offer managed portfolios if you prefer to let the experts handle the buying. The bottom line is this: the old excuses for not investing are obsolete. You no longer need a massive starting balance. With fractional shares and smart automation, Stash has made it possible to turn small, consistent contributions into a foundation for real long-term wealth. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.